Welcome to the last part of this tutorial. What we're going to do here is just to show you a few extra things you can do on your model. So as you can see, I've already done a few tweaks. For example, I removed this part of the foot and this front here, and then I pushed this part in, and I did this on the side. You can also see that I did something here. So as I did it only on one leg, I will just show you quickly on the other leg how I did it, and then you can do the same, or you can add some other features if you want. So if you just go up here to Sketch and choose a rectangular, choose a polyline, and then go to this face here, click it, you can draw a sketch. So let's just draw like this, and then exit sketch, and then you can fix it a bit. So once you've done it, just leave it. Then we can again go to sketch and go to rectangular sketch again and choose this face, and we draw a rectangle here, exit sketch, and then fix it up. And then again we'll make a new one by going to polyline and then clicking on the grid. I will start by drawing this sketch like this, not on any face. We will move it after. Okay, and then escape. So let's see from the top. So you cannot really see the foot, but the foot is there, so we need to move this in. If I just click anywhere on the sketch on one of the line and then go up here to move, I can move this part in. So we don't want these lines to touch it, we just want this part to be on under the foot. So we want it around the middle. That. So now we have 3 sketches, and let's make some cuts. So go up to split face and choose this face here, select splitting entity and choose your first sketch and click enter. Then you can go to your to split face again, select this second face and select your second sketch and press enter. Then let's go to not split face but to split solid. Select the foot and then go to splitting entity and select this small sketch here and click enter. Then I want to go to this right menu here and select hide sketches from this icon here. Okay, so now you can see the cuts. This first one so click on the leg once and then select your face, and then go over here and choose press pull. If you want to tweak, you can tweak, but I just pull it in like this. So yeah, and then this one you can click it and go to tweak, and you get this push in effect here. Because you use split solid, we have 2 parts, so I can just click it and click delete. Okay. To make this one, you can just make a circle on this face and you split solid and then cut it out. So I won't do that again. To make these cuts here, these 4, there's many ways of doing cuts. Like you see how I did it here. I used split face and then I pushed it in, but I could of course have just draw a sketch and and then use Extrude, and then together with Subtract, remove it. So I will do that here so you can see the difference, which is pretty much the same thing. But if I click on, let's see, we want to use a polyline. How was it? Yeah. Select this one. And then draw. Sorry, do it again. There. It's a bit unclear because it's blue on blue. There. And just click enter. Fix it up a bit. I'll take this sketch and select it and move it out a little bit. Okay. And then again, if I just zoom in here, I can select the sketch, go to this menu and choose Extrude, and then if I drag the arrow, you can see it makes a new object, but as I hit the other object, you see it becomes red, so it means it's going to subtract. You can see that here, that it's on subtract, and if you would do something else, you could use merge or intersect or new sub. But we want to subtract, so I'll just keep it there, and then click enter. So you see, you got this cut. I can then move this one a little bit. And I think I will just copy this one by clicking in and then Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, push it out. Then let's see if we can fit one more here. This one is a bit, let's make this one thinner. There. So if I again, instead of going to extrude here, we can also go up to extrude from here. So I can select this face, and this face, and then drag. So again, you see it becomes a solid, and then as soon as I hit it, I get a red volume, and I can just click enter. So you see we get these cuts. And just go ahead and delete these sketches. So the difference between using split face and extrude is just that when you use, there's a few differences. You have to play around and try it, but one that I notice now is that if I use split face, I can only choose one sketch at a time. You cannot do like I did here, you cannot select 3 of them. So with Extrude, you can select many of them, and but you can only extrude in one place. Okay, so I could not have used to subtract part of this and a part of this. I would have to go through all of it and then in here. I cannot choose to subtract a little bit here and a little bit here and a little bit there and a little bit there. But if I chose to use split face, I could have made one sketch, only one sketch, and chose this face, this face, this face, and this face, and I could have made a cut on all of them with one click, but only with one sketch. So depending on what you want to do, you will choose subtract or, well, extrude with subtract or split face. So I'm going to stop this video now because it's getting long, and so you just saw how you can make some details. I want you to continue doing that and make this a bit more fancy. Maybe do something on the eyes, add something on the head, anything you want. Use tweak and press pull and split face and everything, and then you will get something nice. So good luck with that, and I see you in the next tutorial.